All right, so this is the backside corner to the garage. This one probably goes up to the second floor, goes diagonal, looks like 45 degrees. Nothing going straight down to that side, probably just because it's a footing. It's all the way down here, looking about like 10 feet, 8 feet. I want to say 8 feet. Goes right across down here. Pipe goes up here. Not sure what's for. Probably plumbing, toilet. And then here against the wall on the footing, that is another pipe going up. That looks like a bath. That's as it's labeled. And here, so this pipe here goes out 45 degrees up to that point, and up to that point. Connection about, again, 8 feet. This one, bath, goes all the way straight. These connect to that pipe, 45, all the way down this way. This one, I don't know, sink, toilet, forgot, doesn't matter. It says toilet, it actually says toilet. So these 3 pipes here, don't know, but that looks like 2 by 1, 2 feet this way, 1 feet this way. This is, don't know what this is. All right, but they all come together. This is the toilet coming together from these 2. Probably from bath, it says bath, shower, not sure. Probably from the upstairs, all coming together right there. That's that right there. It has a bracket, so it doesn't move. They all have brackets. They all have brackets right there. This also sits on a bracket. So it's a bracket. Okay, footing. And that's out probably like 5 feet. 5 feet from the footing. Okay. And then, not sure. Probably sink. Kitchen. It says kitchen. It's piping for kitchen. Okay. And that goes 45. No, 30. 30 to the property line right there. 30. And it merges with everything. This is the main outlet. This is the end of the pipe right there. This is the clean out. That's what that is so far. And that's what we have so far.